Let me also give you another example that will clarify the difference between sequential development and agile software development. So when we talk about sequential development, we have three main factors. We have requirements, time, and effort. So requirements are what are we going to develop. The time means amount of time that we are going to develop this application in, let's say 1 month, 2 months, or something like this. And the effort or the resources, for example, the number of people in the team, what are their skills, and so on. So in sequential development, we have fixed requirements. So we say that this is my SRS, this is my BRD, okay, this is my requirement, and I need to estimate the amount of effort and time that are required to make it done. So let's say I need to develop a social media application. From day one, I know my requirements. I know what I'm going to develop. And then I go, for example, to a company. They give me a proposal. They say that, okay, it will take 3 team members and they will need, for example, 2 months or 1 year, for example, to finish this application. The bad thing here is that you need to invest a huge amount of money from day one of your project. On the other hand, in agile software development, so like you see, this triangle is reversed or flipped. So we have fixed effort and fixed time, and then we have estimated requirements. So we will say, okay, we have our application, this social media platform. Let's see, who are the persons that can develop it? We have 3 developers. What is their expertise? We have 1 junior, 1 mid-level, and 1 senior, for example. What amount of time do we have? Let's say 3 months. Based on this, we will say, okay, which requirements can be done within this time frame and with this amount of effort. So in this case, I will not say from day one, I need to create a perfect social media platform. No, I need to create an MVP, and then using an incremental way, like we said, I will add features to it. And the good thing here is that you can test your market. Okay, so you can have a beta version, users can try it, give you feedback, and based on this feedback, you can change in the requirements. You can add to them or remove from them. So like we see here, the cone of uncertainty, this is used in agile software development, tells you to spend a little money at the beginning. So in agile projects, we do not spend a lot amount of money at the beginning. Why? Because we have high amount of uncertainty. We are not certain about the future of the project. Okay, it may be closed after 1 month because it is not successful. So at the beginning, we invest a small amount of money and effort, and then when we have more certainty about the future of the project, we know that users will like it. In this case, we begin to invest more amount of money. The same with promises. Do not make promises at the beginning. You are not certain about the future of your project, okay? This is how agile projects work. On the other hand, in sequential life cycles, you give promises at the beginning and you also spend a lot of money at the beginning. So to conclude what we said that we have sequential models and iterative or incremental models like agile. In sequential models, we had waterfall and V model. In iterative and incremental models, we have many models, but on top of them, we have Scrum. So the first step for you as a tester in any project that you are part of is to ask about the software development lifecycle model that is used in the company. And based on the type of the model, you begin to plan for your test activities.